My name is Tana and I am a busy working mom to 2 little ones.
Today's video is part of a collaboration with some of my favorite women here on YouTube, so definitely make sure you check out the playlist that I have linked below. We will be giving you love all day long, and all you need is love.
My desk has gotten totally out of control over the last week. My kids have been home with me because they weren't able to go to daycare. So I need to put on some music and clean up as fast as possible. And I need to get this decor swapped out. I'm using a new scent today. I have the peony scent.
I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise. Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under street lights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you.
Really quickly, I just want to show you some of the cute clothes I got because they're too cute not to show you, but I got the boys these cute little matching shirts. They're from Target. I got my baby this little cute onesie with pants, and there's no feet, which I'm excited about because he's starting to try to walk. And then I just couldn't resist these PJs. These are from Burt's Bees. I got each of them a pair. And then these pajamas are from Hannah Anderson, and I got me a pair as well as the boys. I could only get the top so far. I'm waiting to see if the pants come back in stock, but I just thought they were too cute to pass up. So this pillow is actually on our couch during the Christmas season, but I just think it would look really cute in our master bedroom now. So I'm just gonna rotate the piece. I'm basically shopping at my own house, and this will totally work for winter. It's red, I thought it would work great. And I also got this new grid board for my office, so I'm gonna try to hang that today. I got this cute pillow for my living room, and then I just picked up a couple of things from Target online. Got this love banner, I might hang it over the bed, and then I just thought that was so cute. And then a little XO. There's a bunch of stuff I ordered that hasn't come yet, so I'm gonna have to break this video up into 2 parts. And next week I'll have my living room decor for you, and hopefully I'll have an update of the office once the last couple pieces come in. Darn. They're just a little bit too wide to fit on the shelves. I might be able to put one on my desk, but they don't fit, so I'm probably gonna have to use them downstairs in the living room. And since that's the case, I think I'm gonna use this that I used at Christmas time. It's just a gold Mercury vase, repurposing what I have, and I think I'm gonna put this in it.
I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong.
This is from the summer. I'm gonna repurpose this. Got this at Marshall's.
There's a hunger in my soul.
I also have this red candle from Christmas, and I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna take the top off. Now I'm gonna layer in some photos. I'm actually gonna use, this was our guest album at our wedding. I'm gonna use this because I really like this photo of us. Seems appropriate for Valentine's Day. This is a picture of us at our wedding. It's super heavy, so I never really know where to put it, but I think it will work on this shelf. And since it's Valentine's Day, it feels appropriate.
wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her.
I ordered a few other pieces from Hobby Lobby that haven't come yet. One thing that did come was this big floral piece. I'm gonna use this downstairs in my living room, but I think I'm just gonna pull off maybe 1 or 2 flowers because they're just attached with those little, you know, pieces that pluck out. So I think I'm just gonna detach a couple of pieces and maybe use a few pieces of greenery to warm up the space.
You can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Oh, I also have this photo from our wedding, which has pink frame, so this might feel appropriate for my desk right now.
And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me.
And I really get. So now I'm going to work on hanging this. I actually got this on Amazon, so it came in a couple of days. It's just a gold grid board. I really was debating what I want to put over here, whether or not I wanted to do another bulletin board or a whiteboard. I really like having my calendar there, and I really like having it framed out, so I didn't necessarily want to put another bulletin board here, but I have so many papers for work, and so I got this, and I'm hoping this will work really well. So it came with a few things. It came with clothespins for you to clip your papers to. It came with a rope, I'm guessing if you wanted to hang it by that. And it also came with these little gold, like a little, almost like a binder clip type clip. And then it came with 4 of these. So I'm assuming this is how you actually hang it onto the wall. I actually thought it was going to come with command strips. I'm sort of wondering if I should be using command strips and not these. It didn't come with instructions, but I'm going to do my best. So right now, I just have it on this nail that was already there. And I honestly think I could almost just leave it like this. It might be a little wobbly once I start adding a lot of papers. I'm really hesitant to use the hooks that it came with. It looks like you're supposed to put it this way on the wall and just clip it on. It came with this little hammer that I guess you're supposed to use to put it on the wall, but I think my husband would be pretty upset if I put 8 extra holes in the wall. And I know that I probably have command strips someplace, so I think I'm just going to leave it like this for now, and then find the command strips and maybe just put a command strip there and a command strip there. That way if I decide that this isn't working for me, I can really quickly change it out. But hopefully this will be just a good spot for me to clip all the papers that I need. There's just so many things that I need during the day. I work in human resources. I'm always calling different vendors. I need different codes and policy numbers, and I just want to be able to have them somewhere where I can find them really easily without having to flip through a notebook. I really think that this is going to work so well for me. I am so excited. This is just a couple things to get me motivated this week. You might have seen in my goals video for the year that I have 3 main goals this year for 2021. One of them is growing on YouTube, and I'm dedicated to posting videos 3 times per week. I'm also really trying to declutter my house, particularly my kitchen, because I always feel like it is out of control. And number 3, I am trying to pay off my student loan debt. So if you're interested in that video, I will go ahead and link it below. But those are my goals, and I think it is super important to have my goals visually in front of me all the time so that I do not lose focus. And then I have just these quotes right here that I just absolutely love. I've had this on my desk since 2016, so I'm going on 5 years of having this in front of me at work, and now I work from home, so I have it here in front of me. It's from Bossed Up Boot Camp, which was an amazing boot camp that I went to several years ago, and it really just helped me set goals. I just have a lot of great things to say about the program. If you're interested in hearing more about it, I'd definitely be happy to chat with you. Just leave me a message in the comments below and we can totally connect. And then just over here, I have a message from one of my favorite YouTubers that is just motivating, and I really like to be able to visually see that. So those are kind of the 3 things I have here right now, and I'm definitely going to be adding. I am going to try to get this all cleared off and make it nice again. I'm also repurposing this. It used to be by my front door, and I'm going to go ahead and use this for some of my notebooks.
Thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, that's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so
This was my happy holiday sign that I did when I did my Christmas clean and decorate of my home office, and the other side says hello winter, which is great. I'm going to move it from being over in that corner, and I'm just going to go ahead and hang it on this hook, and I kind of think that that's a nice touch. I'm just adding this amazing Capri Blue candle from Anthropologie. I love lighting this and then working from home. It's like one of the perks of working from home right now. I'm just gonna keep this table really simple with a white candle. Oh, I forgot that I also have this left over from Christmas. I got this at Target. I really love repurposing pieces after the season's over, maybe using them in a different place in your house. So I might actually add this somewhere. I don't know, what are your thoughts on these palm balls? Should I use them? Should I leave them out? Tell me what you think. They might be too distracting. I kind of like that they add texture, but I'm just not sure.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you.
And a quick shot of my desk now that it is all cleaned off. I think it's so great when you refresh your office, you feel re-energized, and you can just focus a little bit better. So I'm really excited to be working in this office this week. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and drop me a comment below. I would love to know what you're enjoying and what you want to see more of. And next week I will have part 2 of my clean and decorate for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be redoing the living room space, swapping out a couple of the decorations on our built-in bookshelves, swapping out some of the pillows, just giving the space kind of a nice clean fresh look. Hopefully the rest of the stuff I ordered will have come in the mail, and I can also show you if I've changed anything in this office once I get that extra stuff in. But so far I'm really loving the way that it looks, and I cannot wait to get to work. So I'll see you Friday for my next video.